What is SUMIF? Now in this list here, if you take a look at all the north, right, and you put it side by side, it means this and this here, put it aside. Then there's the north, you put it aside, and the last one, put it aside. And then after you copy this, you sum it up, you should get this 5493. Of course, there's one way you can sum it. The other way you can do is using the SUMIF function. So what it says is this, very similar. SUMIF. So you highlight this list, okay, then comma, then you tell Excel what is it you want to find from this list, alright, and comma, and after that you have a value. The value list here closes, right? That's it. Sum it, you will get the same amount of numbers. Now we got a solve. If you want to copy this down, it seems correct. But look at that. It's actually missing the solve function, right? So how do we deal with that? Well, one of the way is actually we're going to highlight this list and press the function key F4. Same goes to this C8. I'm going to press F4 key. That's 5493. Now, how about average? Right, average. 3 of them, and we just entered average. And then we highlight these 3. Then comma. So we have a 1831. Before function average is invented, well, actually we use something called if, and then we check that list here whether it's equals to north. If it's equal to north, then we take the value. Very similar, right? And finally, we average it. So you see that if you just check this here and then get a value from here, if not, let's just ignore it and then average. And we complete this function by pressing Ctrl Shift Enter. So you get the 1831 as well. That's just one way before the average if is invented, right? So prefer which one you like. The other will be average. Same thing. You highlight the list, then comma. This is it. Then comma. Then highlight this list here. Open parentheses and enter. And you get what? Oh, it's a north here. Average, because I use average. Average if you get 1831. 1831. Average if 1831. And that is the average. Average if function. That's average if. The next video we talk about the max if and the min if. It's about the same, right? We will talk about it in the next video.